Hi guys, today let's review the replacement rubber band for Slingshot. This one from OrangeTag. It's including 16 pieces and each one has 0.75 millimeters. First, I want to have a detailed review and then I'm going to give you a demo. You can see there are totally 16 pieces that all checked, and each one has a pouch, leather pouch, and the bonding on each side of the leather pouch is actually pretty good. They're using microfiber elastomer, so that's pretty good quality. I really like the bright yellow color, that's easy to aim, and also the dark color pouch, very elastic. Just double check the thickness. I only got a 0.67 millimeter, which is much less than 0.75. I think that's the first drawback. And you get a random color. I find the quality of the pouch is different. The red pouch has the best quality, but also you got a brown, the black color. You can see even within the black color they have different thickness. This one is 1.44 millimeter, and the next one is a little bit thinner. You got a 1.22 millimeter. Rubber band is 21 millimeter long. On the thickness on the white side is 20 millimeter. On the short end is about 12 millimeter, so you actually have a cone shape. That's a very scientific design. I want to check they all have the same length. Second drawback is the different quality of pouch. And this brown color, the leather is really aged. It's not brand new. So the reason I bought this one because I need to replace the existing rubber band from my favorite Slingshot. Like this one, the orange one, you can see there's a hole inside. It's not safe. It's also not accurate. Reduce your performance. So this is how I replace it with the new OrangeTag rubber band. You can see different Slingshot has different style. For mine, I just using overlap style, input it into my Slingshot arm. This is how you aim it. When the two rubber band vertically align in the line, that's you're gonna have a straight line projectile. Very accurate. This is what I'm gonna show you. The anchor point for this lens is actually on the cheek. Overall, I'll just give you 3.5 star because you have plenty of a rubber band, relative good quality, but this is only for the practice usage. All right, that's it. Thank you.